Alright guys, this is Matt from Hammer and Stone. You know me as HS Woodworks on Instagram. I had a few people ask about how I take my pallets apart, so I'm going to do it for you real quick. Tools you're going to need: use a skill saw, flat bar, mini sledge, piece 2x4, and of course your pallet. And I already went ahead and did the first step, which is taking the three planks off the back end, which I usually just bust off because sometimes it's easier just to cut your losses. Alright, in the bottom, just going to have 4 pieces of 2x4. First step, we're going to take the pallet, flip it over, take the skill saw and cut along the edge. Try to set it up so you guys can see it. Let's see. Alright, so now your 2 side beams are free, or runners, whatever you want to call them. And those are easy enough. Just hit them on the back side with the hammer, pull your nails out. So now this is the fun part. Take this, and flip it over. Now what you want to do is you want to line your 2x4s up, one on each end plank. And then you want to line them up, the middle ones, on either side of the plank you're going to try to bust off. So we'll start at the top. Hold on one second. Alright, so now we're going to work on this right here. I'm going to show you how it's done. Hopefully you can see that. Alright. Let's see. Alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to take the piece of 2x4, you're going to place it against the beam here, and you want to hit right here about 3 times. Don't overhit it because you'll stress out the wood and probably crack it. Do about 3 times here, 3 times here. Just work yourself back and forth. You want to kneel on the pallet. This way you have as much weight on as possible to stop any shaking and moving, because then you're just going to have to hit it twice as hard. So let's see if I can position this so you guys can see. Second. Here we go. Nice and quick. I'll just pull it up so you can see. It's 1 plank off, nail still in it. Now what I do, to denail them real quick, place them on your vise block here. All you're going to do, hold it down, pop the nails through one side, this, and you're going to take it, place it down. You're going to grab a small piece of wood and your flat bar. Oops, sorry. And your flat bar. For some leverage, take the wood, place it under your flat bar. Done. Done. So now you have one plank completely free, denailed, ready to go. Add it to the stack. And just do the whole process through. Once you're done, I take my beams, place them. This one's easy enough. You just clamp it to the tabletop right here. Take your hammer, just hit them right here, and those blocks will break off. Then I put the beam runner in the vise. Use the same method with the flat bar. Pull out my nails, and you should be able to save almost every board on the pallet. Besides those back three, like I said, it's easier to cut your losses sometimes. And I generally like to use the skill saw because most of the time these end pieces here, you can see they're cracked, and I try to use the best wood I can, even though it is pallet wood and reclaimed wood. Try not to use these cracks here. Make the furniture last longer. That's it. So again, Matt, HS Woodworks on Instagram, and that's how I take my pallets apart. Thanks, guys.